viral name, Mr. Pregnant. Mr. Pregnant is supposedly a metaphor full of it.
Yeah.
And, so, yeah, I'm on the Jimmy Falcon show, yo.
So, we have the subsets of linguistics: phonetics, phonology, morphology, syntax, semantics, and pragmatics. We're going to talk about phonetics shortly. Phonetics has three subfields.
That's surrealistic absurdity, absurd surrealism. So it's absurd surrealism now. Absurd surrealism.
Who's this Mr. Pregnant guy? You know what I mean?
Yeah, the all-encompassing Mr. Pregnant is a metaphor for full of it. That was like my online sobriquet on YouTube back in the days, right? So that was like my online viral name, Mr. Pregnant. Mr. Pregnant is supposedly a metaphor for full of it.
Yeah.
What is the relationship? There's a level of arbitrariness between the word and what the word defines of the object, right? We can remove the word cup and we could replace cup with spoon.
Pervasive in comedy with Mitch Hedberg. Where I like to throw Mitch Hedberg, the surrealistic comedian. He said he threw a toothpick in the forest and said, "You home." That's so realistic.